Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to turn on double opt-in confirmation email plus a custom thank you URL in ActiveCampaign. This is a powerful feature that adds an extra layer of security to your email list by requiring subscribers to confirm their email address before they're fully added. And it also lets you redirect them to a custom page after they've confirmed. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to ActiveCampaign.com. Once you're there, log into your ActiveCampaign account using your credentials. This will bring you to your main dashboard where you can manage all your campaigns and forms. Now, look over to the left side menu. Here you'll find various options for managing your account. Locate and click on Website. This section is where you'll access all the tools related to your website integrations and forms. It's the hub for managing how visitors interact with your site and subscribe to your lists. After clicking on Website, you'll see several options appear. Click on Forms if you're not already in the Forms section. This is where all your subscription forms are stored, and it's where you'll either create a new form or select an existing one that you want to edit. Forms are essential for capturing leads, so having them set up correctly is crucial. For this tutorial, we're going to work with an existing form. Go ahead and click on the form you want to edit. I'll click on mine to demonstrate the process. This will open up the form editor where you can customize various settings and features to match your needs. Now, here's where we turn on the double opt-in feature. On the right side menu, click on Options. This is where all the important settings for your form are located. Under Form Action, you'll see a pencil icon. Click on that pencil icon to edit the settings. This will open up a menu where you can enable the opt-in confirmation. Simply turn on your opt-in confirmation by toggling the switch or checking the appropriate box. This ensures that subscribers must confirm their email address before they're added to your list, which helps maintain a clean and engaged subscriber base. After you've turned it on, click Save to apply the changes. Next, we're going to set up the custom thank you URL. Still in the Options menu, look for the section labeled On Submit. Here, click on Show Thank You, and then choose Open URL from the available options. This is where you'll direct your confirmed subscribers after they've completed the opt-in process. Now, type or paste the full custom thank you URL where you want confirmed subscribers to be sent. This could be a special welcome page, a download link, or any other page that enhances their experience with your brand. Once you've entered your custom URL, you're almost done. Click on Integrate at the top right corner to finalize your form settings. This ensures all your changes are saved and the form is ready to be embedded or used on your website. And that's it. You've successfully set up double opt-in confirmation along with a custom thank you URL in ActiveCampaign. This combination not only protects your email list, but also creates a more personalized experience for your subscribers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.